Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. Under the hood we have a 3.6 liter V6 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy is in granite and it looks great. Right up front we do have the halogen quad headlamps and they are very bright. As well, you do have the Dodge logo there with some chrome accenting. Now coming around the side we do have 17-inch tires, or 17-inch rims, with Komu brand tires. They look great. There's still lots of tread left on them as well. Coming up here we do have heated exterior mirrors in the flat black. It looks great. Now coming around the back here we have the Grand Caravan logo, the Dodge logo, and the SXT logo right there. And we can open it up just by pulling on that guy. Now there's a lot of room back here. It like dips in, so there's even more. You got some extra storage here, and then there is the stow and go seats. So you just pull them in order. So you got number 1 here, pull that guy. 2 is down here, pull that one. 3 is right here, and 4 folds it in. Just like that. Now you can get all the way to the front. Looks great, and you got even more storage, and you can do the identical one with the other side there. Let's take a look. We got our keys here. We got 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and you got your panic button just up there. But let's unlock and jump on in. So on the door here we do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all hanging out here. We do have a bit of that chrome accenting handle here, some storage over here, and some more down here with a water bottle holder. Then you also have your controls over your lights. So you got your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams, as well as your in-cabin light control there. And then you also have your your turning signals, your high beams, and your windshield wiper controls there. Okay, let's start her up here. So we got our key in the ignition, and we are good to go. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as we have our fuel gauge, how many kilometers we've been, and our oil temperature. We can change the guy from the kilometers, which is only 87, which is nothing at all. From that to our trip A and B, we also have how much fuel we have. We need to refill it. We have our kilometers and then our average miles per 100 kilometers, plus the temperature outside. That is all changed from your steering wheel here, plus you have your voice recognition and your call out button. Horn in the middle and your cruise control right there. Around the back of the steering wheel here you got these guys, their volume up and down, as well as you have an identical one on the other side for your channel. This guy does shift your gears just like that. And then in the center here you do have your radio, so you have your seek, you have your call out button and your voice recognition. You have your info, your forward and rewind. You also have your eject button. You have your time there. And then you have your volume up and down, your AM, FM, your Sirius satellite radio, your disc or your aux. And then you also have all your presets down here, your list, your music type, and your setup, plus your set there. And that's how you set your favorites or your presets. And then you also have your, right there, you got your browser and then your aux cord right there. Down here you got the different selections for where it's going to blow out of. You have a dual climate, so you and your passenger can have different climates if you want it hotter or colder. You got AC in the middle, you have the circulation plus the power there, and then this is for your rear climate controls, both of those, and then you have the other 2 plus your front and rear defrost. Then you have your econ mode, your hazard lights, and you also have your traction control. You have some storage here. Got some more, or you got some cup holders right here, plus you can put some coins in here or something. Then you got some more storage just down there and some plugins there. And then you do have some more cup holders here with a little bit of storage in there. And then up top here you got a glove box, and you got a locking glove box under here with your owner's manual inside of it as well. And then up top here you do have a sunglass holder with a little mirror on it. Okay, let's take a look back here. Open this guy up. Now there is a ton of room back here as well. Very spacious. And then you also have the seats in the back, so it does seat 7 altogether. Plus you do have some cup holders and whatnot here. They do have the control over their own climate right there as well. And then I'm going to show you how to access the stow and go. So I do find it easiest if you push the seat all the way forward. Then you got this guy. You just pull this up, just like this. A little bit more difficult with one hand here. Pull this up just like this, and then you got this guy here, pull that, and it all folds down right into the floor, and you're done. So now it's all flat, you don't have to worry. You can put extra stuff over here. You can do the same with the other side. You can put them all down if you would like. And that does it for my walk around video of the 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.